Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your weekly roundup of top CDR updates from past week. The LEGO Group announced to invest $2.8 million in CDR across 4 nature-based and engineered projects, with partners Climate Impact Partners and ClimeFi. U.S. lawmakers proposed the Rescue Oceans Act to create a $2.5 billion NOAA-led marine carbon dioxide removal research program. Microsoft agreed to purchase up to 1.8 million forest restoration CDR credits over 15 years from Rainforest Builder. Royal Commission for Jubail and Yanbu partnered with Climeworks to explore DIAC and underground storage in Saudi Arabia. Green Carbon and Excellent Enfab Incorporation launched industrial biochar CDR initiative in India. Swedish utility Söderenergi paused its BECCS project at the Igelsta CHP plant due to weak demand, financing gaps, and limited policy support. Avantium joined the National Institute of Standards and Technology CDR Consortium to accelerate DAC innovation. Carbon Direct and C2X partnered to convert forestry and sawmill residues into biofuel while delivering durable CDR in Louisiana. Carbon Business Council and Emerald Climate launched APAC-DR, an Asia-Pacific CDR acceleration initiative. Supercritical traded 63,296 QRCs via Puro at Earth delivery platform, leading CDR credit volumes for 2025. Carbon to Sea released an interactive MRV database covering 5 early ocean alkalinity enhancement projects. CDR.FYI launched a buyer's guide to help companies evaluate durable CDR credits. Isometric extended crediting periods for DAC and BECCS projects to support long-term development. Carbon Cure Technologies launched a 2026 scholarship program promoting low-carbon concrete research. Remove Accelerator selected 8 CDR startups from Europe and India for its Global Leap cohort. The Symbiosis Coalition updated quality criteria to include mangrove restoration in addition to reforestation and agroforestry.
The carbon removers released a white paper on secure storage pathways for biogenic CO2. Carbon Plan and Carbon Removal Standards Initiative proposed shifting CDR policy toward net negative climate frameworks. Carbon Removal Standards Initiative published a roadmap linking coastal resilience projects with marine carbon dioxide removal. Grassroots Carbon joined a Colorado State University consortium to advance national soil carbon modeling. UNESCO released a comprehensive assessment of ocean carbon uptake and storage knowledge gaps. WSP Global issued a white paper exploring mining waste and mineralization pathways for durable CDR. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.